from here, from the support line zone, we are ready to have a nice pullback reaction, but still, according to the MACD, we're in the sell zone. Let's open better sell position. We have invested our whole amounts of money that we have. This is $15. 15 bucks are invested, because according to the MACD, we have the huge prevalence of the sellers right now in the market, and we are currently under the pressure from their side. Moreover, green line is strictly below the red one, which is additionally confirming for us that we're located in the sell zone right now. So that's why we have open sell position here. For now, we have already made the new local low, and we are highly likely to continue dropping. So we have $28.80 on the account, and we are ready to continue. Here, according to the MACD, price is going to reverse. We have been moving in the upgoing channel for quite a long time, but then we hit the strong level of resistance and we started receiving a very nice pullback reaction, having broken the upgoing trend line. Now we are moving down. We have made the new local low and we are going to fall, to drop much more. We have invested our whole deposit in this trade, also in the sell position, and now we're just waiting for the result. As you can see, today I'm using my whole amount of money for each trade. I'm using on a short time period of just 1 minute in order to save my time and enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So it's closed. We have $55 on the account. Let me open sell position. Here, the same kind of situation. We have been moving in the upgoing channel. Then we have started reversing. Now we have broken through the upgoing trend line, and price is dropping significantly. Even at the MACD, we have huge divergence in the volumes. We have the prevalence of the sellers right now on the market, and price is going down. Slowly, but consistently. So we have $106 on the account right now. Here we have open buy position. As soon as we have touched the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands channel, from which we are highly likely to receive a pullback reaction. And as you can see, we have already made the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle. Price is going really nice. So here, in the currency pair, we have open sell position, just as a continuation of the current downgoing trend. We are moving generously in the downgoing trend. We just had a small upgoing correction, but it has been ended by the trend line, downgoing trend line, and now we continue moving downstairs. So that's why I just opened a trade in the continuation of the current downgoing movement, investing our $203 here. So we have $391 on the account. By the way, guys, while I'm choosing what to do, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where we'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online training sessions, and you will be able to start training and earning together with me online. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Here we have open buy position as soon as the price has already touched the support line zone, strong one. We have tried to break through it several times, but all of them were not successful. So we have $751 account right now. We are ready to continue. So here we have open buy position. We have broken through the resistance line zone. We have made the new local high. We have gathered the stop losses of the sellers, and with this fuel we are ready to continue growing much and much more. So that's why I have open buy position and listing my $751 here. Then we have $1,442. This is a really amazing result, guys. Just imagine at the beginning we have $15 and we have made 100 times more just within around 7 minutes. If you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible. And all you need for this purpose is just right now open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where we'll get all the best stuff. See you all. Kiss you all, and bye-bye.